Hello everyone, if you don't know me, my name is Mariah, and I have had the luck to have Denmark as my research location for the semester, and I chose to look into their human-environment interaction. One thing I have learned in this geography class is we kind of need to know where we are. So Denmark is located west of Sweden and north of Germany, as shown on the map. Besides being well known for gorgeous flatlands, sandy coasts, and amazing waters, Denmark is the birthplace of Lego, a child's favorite toy, and let's just say, not mine. As we continue to advance technologically, it is vital to upkeep and maintain natural forms, climate, water sources, anything that has to do with the environment. Minimizing carbon footprint is a topic that many nations have overlooked, but Denmark's stance on climate change is one that many countries should adopt. Denmark has actually been recognized as one of the leading countries regarding sustainability efforts to aid in the ongoing battle against climate change. According to visitdenmark.com, Denmark has a goal to be the world's first country entirely independent of fossil fuels by 2050. Currently, an outstanding amount of Denmark's energy is sourced from renewable sources, such as wind power. The government has spent a lot of funding on wind farms that can be found on land and offshore. In addition to their ecological energy sources, pollution control is a large point of address within their government. Implemented regulations on water and air quality and prioritization of recycling or waste management have significantly reduced pollution levels. Not only does the government of Denmark prioritize this topic, but the citizens of this nation do as well. Danish individuals engage in many activities and practices that envision their commitment to the worldwide issue of climate change. Due to the flat terrain found within Denmark, bicycles are a large form of transportation. This greatly reduces carbon emissions from motorized vehicles. Unlike products that are created in the United States, Danish producers focus on organic foods. Reducing the usage of pesticides promotes natural biodiversity, allowing crops and produce to grow more naturally. Many consumers actually prefer organic produce here, promoting farmers to retain their environment-friendly means of creating these food items. Although having regulations and sustainability within a country to reduce carbon footprint is a great starting point for human-environment interaction, the individuals within the nation have to actively participate to distinguish positive changes in the environment. Danish communities have implemented environmental education within their curriculum, fostering responsibility to protect nature at a very young age for Danish individuals. Schools often provide hands-on learning concerning this topic. Taking children on field trips to natural reserves and gardening are just a couple of examples. Besides education, citizens of many communities within Denmark participate in meetings to voice concerns about environmental policies or development projects. Encouraging citizens to participate in these issues has allowed for much engagement in practices that slow climate change as much as possible. Based on my research and new knowledge of this country, Denmark provides an example of a strong relationship with human-environment interaction through many means and tactics. Environmental policies and awareness, sustainable practices, and community engagement are only a few ways that they have portrayed their respect for nature and aversion to climate change. Denmark has set a prime example for other countries striving for some form of sustainability. As our world continues to progress, I firmly believe their efforts and strategies will make some form of difference for the better. So, would you move to Denmark? 'Cause I know I sure would.